Every December, one digital product sells like clockwork: calendars. People actively search for 2026 calendars, planners, and printables, and most beginners miss this opportunity completely. In this video, I'm reviewing the 2026 Calendar Profit Kit, and I'll show you how this can be a simple, low-risk way to tap into seasonal demand without design skills or tech headaches. If you want a fast, beginner-friendly digital product you can upload and sell almost immediately, the 2026 Calendar Profit Kit does exactly what it promises. No software to learn, no guessing what designs sell, no long setup. It's not magic, but it's practical, seasonal, and very easy to launch. So what is the 2026 Calendar Profit Kit? It's a ready-to-sell bundle of professionally designed 2026 calendar templates with unrestricted PLR rights. That means you can sell these as your own product, rebrand them, bundle them, or use them for clients. This is perfect for beginners who want a simple digital product, side hustlers looking for seasonal income, Etsy or Canva sellers, PLR sellers expanding their catalog. The main objection this solves is simple. Most people say, I can't design, or I don't know what actually sells. This kit removes both problems. Let me quickly walk you through how it works. Once you log in, you download the calendar files. You'll see monthly calendars, year-at-a-glance layouts, desk and wall formats, kids' calendars, animal themes, floral designs, minimalist styles, and more. Every file is editable in Canva. You can change colors, text, images, or leave them as is. From there, you simply upload them to Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or your own site and start selling. No extra tools required. Now let's talk about the upgrades. The front end is priced at $9.99, and that's enough to get started. There are optional upgrades ranging from $16.99 to $21.99. These add more designs, more niches, and higher value bundles. You do not need every upgrade. They're only for people who want more variety or want to scale faster. The core kit works on its own. If you grab the 2026 Calendar Profit Kit using the link below, you also get exclusive bonuses designed to help you sell faster. Here are some of the highlights. Bonus 1. WP Slideshow Master. Create eye-catching previews for your calendar listings. Bonus 2. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers to boost urgency and conversions. Bonus 3. Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Find buyer keywords people are already searching for. Bonus 4. Article Analyzer. Optimize content for search traffic without guesswork. Bonus 5. Pin Marketer. Automate Pinterest traffic, perfect for visual products. Bonus 6. Powerlist Pro. Build an email list from your calendar buyers. Bonus 7. Sales Page Recycler. Reuse pages across funnels without duplicating work. Bonus 8. WP Profit Page Creator. Create SEO-friendly pages that convert. Bonus 9. Email Profits Formula. Learn how to turn a small list into consistent sales. Bonus 10. Affiliate Marketing Thrive Training. Step-by-step guidance for monetizing digital products. These bonuses alone remove the biggest roadblocks beginners face: traffic, conversions, and follow-up. Final verdict. The 2026 Calendar Profit Kit is simple, practical, and timed perfectly for the December to January buying season. Calendars sell every year. The demand already exists. This kit lets you enter fast without starting from zero. The bonuses are limited and may be removed at any time, so if you're watching this later, don't assume they'll still be available. Click the link below to lock in everything before the launch window closes. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions. To get access, click the link below this video. Purchase the 2026 Calendar Profit Kit and your bonuses will be delivered automatically. No extra steps, no waiting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.